Hello all my dear students, Hseb Suraj once again in front of you to help. Today I'm going to tell you about an important essay from 6th unit of class 12, which is The Children Who Wait. This essay is written by an American writer, Martha Trogart. By The Children Who Wait, Martha Trogart refers to the orphan children who are spending their life in American orphanages. In these orphanages, the children are waiting for their permanent parents as well as homes for their bright future. Here in this essay, Martha Trogart has presented adoption scenes in the matter of children in American orphanages. She has presented two adoption scenes in the matter of children adoption from American orphanages. Martha Trogart has mainly discussed about two adoption scenes before 1960 and after 1960. She has mainly explained some important factors behind change in American adoption scene before and after 1960. This essay has mainly focused on two things: children adoption scene in America before 1960, a new trend in case of children adoption in America after 1960. Now, I would like to tell you about American adoption scene before 1960. According to the writer, the American adoption scene in the past time wasn't good. In case of children adoption, parents used to adopt healthy white kids only. No one wanted to adopt black kids, handicapped kids, as well as those kids who had emotional problems. During that time, the society was quite strict for adoption. In the past time, people were quite narrow-minded and they had negative attitude toward adoption of the children. Black as well as physically deformed kids were considered as damaged goods. Nobody wanted to adopt such children. The children who were black, mixed racial group, handicapped, and over 5 years old were not adopted by the families. Such children were labeled as unadoptable. In the past time, healthy white kids were considered as adoptable. Now, I would like to tell you about a new trend in American adoption scene after 1960. After 1960, the number of orphans in the orphanages of America was increased dreadfully. The budget to run orphanages in America reached quite high. Children experts of America were quite worried about the future of the orphans who spent a long time in the orphanages. According to them, staying long time in the orphanages, children might turn into bad activities. They might get mad or become criminal. The writer has explained some important factors that had brought change in American adoption scene. Some responsible factors behind change in adoption scene of America were Black civil rights movement, women's movement, as well as legalization in abortion, change and development in social and conceptual sector, study of anthropology, change in government policies, especially in the matter of children adoption in America. After 1960, people's attitude towards adoption of children became positive. The change in thought was brought by various factors. Black civil rights movement brought sympathetic attitude towards all the black people of America. After that movement, black people were also well treated by the white people. Black kids in the orphanages of America also got chance to be adopted by the white families. Another responsible factor behind change was women's movement. Due to the women's movement, females of America got various rights related with childbirth. The legalization in abortion had made an impact in reduction of unwanted children, due to which the number of kids in the orphanages also decreased down. The pregnant lady but unmarried had to do abortion in the past time. But due to the legalization in abortion and women's movement, the lady got right to live with her child with dignity in American land. So due to legalization in abortion as well as women's movement, the change was seen in American orphanages. Next, the government of America also played very significant role in finding proper parents for the children of orphanages. The government of America launched various policies as well as programs to find proper parents for homeless kids. They advertised the kids in radio, television, as well as newspaper to find them proper parents. The government tried its best by advertising the kid of one region to the other regions. Due to media, parents also got right information about the kids and kids also got right parents. The education of anthropology also brought change in American adoption scene. The study of anthropology brought change in social as well as conceptual sectors too. The children who were labeled as unadoptable in the past time before 1960 got widely acceptance for adoption. The writer has given an example of Tommy, a cute black little girl of 5.5 years old. She was suffering from fatal alcoholic syndrome. Actually, while she was in the womb of her mother used to drink a lot of alcoholic items. That's why Tommy got the syndrome. She was quite sick, but she was legally freed for adoption after 1960. She even got fine parents in her life. So this is all in all about this important essay, The Children Who Wait by Martha Stewart. Now I would like to present you some important questions and their answers which will help you in your examination. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you very much.